Let's learn how to link from one sheet to another sheet in Microsoft Excel. Hello guys, what's up? This is Chogyal from the channel Sir Chogyal. If you are new to me, please consider subscribing. In this sheet 1, let's say we have the weekly expenditures for the month of January. This is the total price incurred during the first week. Let's link this total price to another sheet, that's sheet 2. We can see here the total price of the first week is at column B and row 7. We are going to link this total amount to sheet 2. Now go to sheet 2. Type here equals sign sheet 1 exclamation mark B7 and hit enter on your keyboard, or just type here equals sign and go to sheet 1. Now left click on the number that you want to link and hit enter on your keyboard. We can see here the function has automatically generated. Linking from one sheet to another sheet is very easy. Just type equality sign and go to a sheet. Then left click on a value that you want to link and hit enter on your keyboard. That's it guys. Thanks for watching and goodbye until next time.